Good morning, guys. I'm doing a quick get ready with me. I'll just put everything on the screen. We have a lot of things to do today, and we have a time, especially have an appointment, so we have to hurry up and do it. My skin is so dry. I'm just gonna put everything on the screen. I want to see how. Alright, like I said, moisturizing my skin. I love this stuff. And I've been using the Wing Clink Brow Sculpt. If you guys been watching any of my reels, I absolutely love it. So I literally apply it and then I let it set for a little bit. And then I go ahead and brush them upwards with an edge brush. And honestly, this is just faster for me. You don't have to do it like this. I just find it faster. While I let that dry, I go ahead and curl my lashes and apply some eyelash primer. This one is from L'Oreal. I have not been able to find it, so I think it's already discontinued, unfortunately. And then I go ahead and fill in my brows with this pen. I love this one. It creates really nice natural looking eyebrow hairs. And then I go back in with the lashes and I apply mascara. This changes all the time, and right now I am using the Rare Beauty one. I actually still have a lot of mascaras I have not used that I got for free when I worked at Sephora, so I am trying to get through them. So today I'm actually not going to use a primer. I'm going to use this guy. It helps with rosacea and eczema, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm using a combination of the Born This Way concealer and Shape Tape. I personally don't like Shape Tape by itself. It's a little drying for my liking, even in the summer. So yeah, I've just been using concealer and powder every day. That's like my go-to now. And I've been using this Physicians Formula bronzer, and I am obsessed. I love it. I actually love it so much more than the Charlotte Tilbury one. I'm using a liquid blush today. I've been obsessed with liquid blushes as well, and I'm using this one from Alamar. Setting that nose and under eyes, and setting my entire face with the JCat Beauty powder, which is my favorite, and applying some highlight to my inner corners and my cheekbones and setting that all into place. And then I've been loving this Huda Beauty stain. You can also apply it to your cheeks. It's one of my favorites. I absolutely love it. Definitely give it a shot. Alright guys, so the first appointment we have to go to is for my daughter. So depending on how that appointment goes, we have to go to Costco and return some stuff, and we'll see what the day brings. And again, depending on my daughter and how she feels. So let's go. We ended up going to Petco for a little bit, and I just thought I'll show you guys the fish. So we ended up getting tamales and gyros for dinner. My daughter absolutely loves gyros, so it was a win-win. Even when I don't cook, there ends up being a mess. That's honestly me from this morning, but let's clean it up. Ignore my hot mess right back there and me looking like a hot mess. I'm at home, so it is what it is. I forgot to mention that we did go to Burlington, and we picked up a couple things, and then my daughter started getting fuzzy, so we had to head out. So let me quickly show you. My best friend's son is turning 1, the youngest one, and we did get him, well, she honestly asked for, she literally told me, like, he doesn't need clothes, he doesn't need toys, so get something like for the playroom or something like that. So I ended up getting a little set on Amazon. I'll put it right here on the screen. They love cars, and that's going to be the theme of their playroom, so I got them that. But I saw this really cute outfit, and I thought I might just go pick it up since I love the aesthetic color. This color is so cute, and I know she is going to absolutely love this. And they're going to Florida with us as well, so I thought I'd get a little cute outfit for him. I put it in 18 months. He's a little chunky monkey. And for her son, this was actually on sale for $1.49, and I thought it was cute. And this one is in 4T. Again, her son is the same age as my daughter, so I thought I would get this one. I think this is really cute. It's around 4th of July. His birthday is actually the 1st of July, so I got that for my best friend, Boy. Been here for a while. You know my daughter loves these. These are our snacks that we give her to bribe her. So you're gonna have a toddler now. You know you have those items to bribe. That's for my daughter. My husband got some gloves that were $3.99. So I've been using hair ties for her, kind of like the same ones I have on. But in all honesty, I hate taking them off. Her hair, they break her hair, and her hair is already super duper thin. So I saw these and I thought I might as well get them. They come with a lot of different colors, and then those little poofy ones are also just really cute in general. So I got this one, and this was $3.99. Alright, and then my husband got some razors. This was $5.99, and then he likes doing like whatever it is, hairline, I believe. And this was $10. He got this one as well. His just broke. And then for us, I didn't get anything for me. I just noticed that. It's okay. Mom life. We actually really love this enamel pro protection. Why couldn't we say that? Enamel protection. There's 2 brushes. These are really, really good. So I just got us another pack. I did already buy us 2 additional packs, but I decided to just go ahead get another one. This is only $4. Got these for my pumpkin. These were $4. Like, that's cute. Actually, my husband picked this, so I'm not even gonna pretend it was me. And the last thing we got, she picked out. Yeah, this was $12 though. It's really cute. It's really for a safari animal kingdom. So it's like, oh, when you're clearing it out and it was like $13, she's like, oh my god, I thought it was gonna be like $30 like an actual Disney. Like, no way, Burlington. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean them off right now. But yeah, that is all we got at Burlington. Alright, so here I am organizing everything before I show you guys what we picked up at Costco today. Alright, so in the car I told you what I got at Costco, and I forgot stuff, so I got eggs. I did tell you guys that. I got bread. We got apples. If you know, you know. More salad. Amazing, it's so good. We got some blackberries. A video, mi amor. Some blueberries. She's been asking for these a lot, so we got some grapes. And I got some batteries that we needed. And I got some more socks because I only buy black socks, but they're still missing, so socks. And 2 of these guys. Alright, and now it is time to clean up the kitchen. I clean up this kitchen, I feel like 1,000 times a day. Oh my goodness. So here I am, cleaning up, putting everything away, putting everything where it goes, watching Charmed. And here I am washing the dishes that I had in the sink and watching Charmed like I've never watched it before, when it was really the 100th time I watched it. Just a reminder, guys, please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. I really do appreciate every single one of you guys that are here. Alright, and here I am washing my fruits. I hate this chore. I know, sounds weird, but I hate it. And my hands were already killing me, so yeah, they were already so dry. So here I am just cleaning your fruits. Cleaning the fruits. Oh my goodness, I'm obviously tired. But yeah. Alright guys, so it is the end of the night. I actually ended up putting my daughter's clothes away. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna go ahead and take off my face. I'm using these makeup remover wipes from Target. I don't like them. My favorite is the Costco brand ones, but my mom went the other day and she said that she asked why they haven't had them in stock, and supposedly they're not going to sell them anymore. So I'm going to be really sad if these are gone forever, because I absolutely love these. And I went today and I didn't see any. So I'm sad about that. This is empty. Well, it's not empty. I put my old ones in there, but I'm just sad about it. Anyways, yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and take off my face. I'll put everything on the screen. But yeah, until then, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. It means absolutely everything to me that you guys are here and watching my videos. Thank you guys so much. It's been, March was a really not great month for me personally, mentally. So I am so excited for April and the good that April is going to bring us. So yeah, if you are still here, please leave this emoji down below, and let's go ahead and take off my makeup, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. All right, I'm using my favorite Tatcha cleansing oil. I love this stuff. I really wish it wasn't an arm and a leg, but here I am just taking off my makeup with the wipes that I absolutely hate. I already said that, but just reiterating, do not recommend. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use this hemp oil. It's amazing. Again, great for eczema and dry skin. Using my moisturizer. I did wash my face before I did put the hemp oil, by the way. I just didn't show that. Then I'm putting some brow serum on my brows and my lashes to help them grow and stay nice and strong. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching today.